You've watched 15,000 YouTube videos of people with fancy cars, luxurious vacations, saying they earn thousands of dollars a month for selling digital products from home. But conveniently, none of those people are telling you how. I was just like you, sitting at home watching YouTube videos and thinking, oh, that's so fake. There is no way they make that much money from home. But now I take the vacations. I live the life I deserve. I earn more from home as a single mom than I ever did putting on a badge as a Philadelphia police sergeant. And here's the part that's going to blow your mind, because many of us that are doing this, we are making this money by using one free app. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what this app is, exactly how it makes real money, and exactly how you can start today for free. But you know what you got to do? Hit that algorithm in the face. Let YouTube know that you like money making content. You do that by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, you get a few hypes per week. Below this video, you'll see the option, if you're on mobile, to click hype. Please hype this video up, because what it does is it gets this video out to more people so that we can help more people, and it keeps me in your algorithm so that you know when I come out with more money making content, okay? And make sure you watch this video all the way through, because I'm giving you real information. This is what I really do. And if you can't sit through a 12-minute video, how are you going to build a business? Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into this free app that's making new millionaires that no one's telling you about. Let's go. My psychic abilities are in full swing. One thing that I know about you is you are not lazy. You probably watched a whole bunch of videos about making money online. You've done Google searches about how to make money online, but you're still in the same spot. You haven't made a dime from all this time that you've been putting in learning about how to make this money. You just need to get the right information and actually know how to implement it. You just got to stick with me, okay? So let's get into this free app that you can use, and it is called Canva. Oh, see, I know you've heard of Canva. You're like, okay, Canva, hold on. I thought she was going to tell me something new. Yeah, you've probably already heard of Canva, but are you making money from it? That's what I'm going to show you in this video. Most people open Canva, they grab a cute template, slap it on Instagram, get 12 likes, and 10 of them are their relatives. They didn't make a thing, and they call it content creation. Those of us that are really making money with Canva, we're not creating content for likes and views. We are making digital products to sell. Digital planners, template packs, printable journals, ebooks, content bundles, things people buy, download, and use. And you never pack a single box, never deal with shipping, never take a customer service call at 2 a.m. Here's how it works. Someone buys your product at 3 a.m. while you're knocked out. The email delivers itself. You wake up to a payment notification. That is the business. Okay, so I'm gonna make this really easy for y'all. Let's go into Canva. And I know everybody and their mama and their cousin and their auntie wants to make an ebook. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to type in ebook. There are thousands of templates for ebooks. Okay. You can scroll through here because you're going to get Canva yourself. Now, on that note, I will say that while Canva is free, and you're looking at the desktop version right now, but Canva is a free app as well on both desktop and the app. Okay. I have Canva on my iPad. I have it on my phone. It is free, but it's free with heavy limitations. What you need to do is have a product that stands out from the pack. And the best way to do that is by not using the cheap, ugly elements and templates that they have for free, but start off with something that actually looks good, that people want to buy, okay? Because even if you're spending only 10 minutes on this, you don't want it to look like you only spent 10 minutes on this. So for that reason, I suggest you get Canva Pro. Canva Pro is only $15 a month. I'm not getting anything by telling you this. I'm not affiliated with Canva. Once you pay that $15, it unlocks all of Canva. Plus they have free trials. So there's no excuses. I got to keep it real with y'all. If you expect to be selling digital products and making thousands of dollars a month doing that, meanwhile, you're swinging at the air to not pay $15, but you expect somebody else to want to pay for your product when you won't even invest in your product, that math isn't mathing. Now, like I said, we're going to do an ebook, and I'm going to keep it pretty simple here. Okay. And as you can see, this isn't just a cover. This is actually the interior as well. So this is giving us a starter point on our actual pages too. If you've never used Canva before, you will be happy to know that Canva is simply drag and drop. Okay. So all of these elements in here, the photo and everything, you can drag and drop. So I'm actually going to turn this into a meal planner. And this is where a lot of people mess up again. People will say meal planner. Meal planner is not enough, okay? We have to make our stuff stand out. Who is this for? Busy moms. Mind you, I have access to Canva Pro, so I have access to every single photo that they have in Canva. So let's speed this up. I was able to do that in just a couple minutes. And now I have a meal planner for busy moms. Now, when your planner is all done and ready, click share, download. You're going to download your planner as a PDF. Now I can turn around and I can sell that ebook for $7, $17, $27. Now stick with me because I'm going to give you more ideas of digital products that sell, but I wanted you to see that ebooks are super easy to make. And that's why a lot of people are selling them. But here's the thing. Once you have this digital product downloaded as that PDF, what do you do with it? How do you actually sell it? You're going to need a platform to be able to sell on. And that's the perk of owning your own website. On my website, my store is built with something called WooCommerce, and it lets me list my products, take payments, all that stuff. Another option is to use a platform like Shopify, where you can build your store. And even on Shopify, you can add a section for a blog. So I honestly like that as an option. I'll link Shopify down below. Now with that link, you can get a Shopify store for $1 a month for the first 3 months. But alternatively, a lot of people like to use something like a StanStore where they just focus on just uploading the digital product, not having any blog posts or anything like that. I honestly don't recommend that, especially if you want to expand your business, because the fact is you're paying $29 a month when it's actually cheaper to own your own website and list your products on that site. But some people find StanStore to be the easiest option, or at least one of them. So I will link StanStore down below if you are interested in just being able to upload your digital products and just having a storefront. Again, I do highly recommend that you have content behind it, that you have a blog post behind it, that you have a page where people can learn more about you. All that kind of stuff is really important, and it's a free way to get into Google. People that are new to digital products often get focused on just selling the product when you want people to get to know you, to like you, to trust you, and they're more willing to open their wallets if they know more about you and more about your business versus just going to a storefront and they know nothing about you. So the choice is yours, how you go about that, but I just gave you some options for that. How about some more ideas for digital products that you can sell? One digital product that sells really well is digital planners. I myself have a digital planner that I really don't talk about that I sell on Etsy. And I know y'all are newsy, so I'm going to link it down below if you're interested in checking that out. This is a planner that people can open on their iPad and scroll through and actually write on it and everything. So it's interactive and they can open it on their devices. And that's another product that you can create in Canva and sell it forever. But I'm going to hook you guys up. If you want more ideas of digital products that sell, I have 177 digital product ideas that really sell, and I'm going to give that to you for free. So if you're interested in that, check that out. I've linked it down below. Now, here's the thing. Even though Canva makes it really easy for us to create digital products in minutes, a lot of times people aren't that familiar with Canva, or they feel overwhelmed. There's so many freaking templates in Canva and I don't even know where to start. So that's where my little secret comes in, because there's something called master resell rights. Master resell rights will save you a whole bunch of time, frustration, and energy, because this is a way to have a digital product that somebody else made and they're giving you the permission to sell it as if you were the one that made it. But there's typically one little rule. This person is allowing you to resell their ebook, then you have to change the cover. And typically the way to change the cover is within Canva using that drag and drop method that I already showed you. I myself have sold master resell rights products and earned over $12,000 in a single month doing it. If you want to get started with master resell rights products and just start with products that somebody else made, I offer something called the Mega Content Bundle. This includes several ebooks that will help you build your social media so that you can get customers and things. Also, it has over 9,500 videos that you can use for your social media. And also you can resell these videos as well. And the same thing with a whole bunch of copyright free images. Plus, if you do grab the mega content bundle, I actually give you guys a free training. It's a $97 value where I teach you how to do the rebranding of those products so that you can make them your own. They won't look like anybody else's on the internet, and you can actually make your money with a product that you didn't even have to make. So if you are interested in the mega content bundle, I will link it down below. But I want to hear from you. Are you somebody that's been wanting to get into selling digital products? Are you already using Canva? And are you actually going to start, or are you just watching a video again? Let's discuss it in the comments. But real quick, please do me that favor. Let me and the YouTube algorithm know that you appreciate this money-making content. The way that you do that is by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. And remember, if you're on mobile, look below this video. You might have to scroll to the right a little bit. You'll see that hype button. Please hype this video up so YouTube can stop hating on my channel and actually tell you guys when I have new videos and actually help more people by putting the video out. But with that said, I know there was a lot of information in this video and I kind of touched on the mega content bundle and the whole master resale rights thing. But if you want to dive deeper into that, I suggest you check out this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go.